Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to extend hard of your VPS by control panel in det9.com. For this case you should go to the services and choose your active server and scroll down, and here as you can see it's extend hard. For extending hard of your VPS you should click it and enter the username and password of your VPS. And after entering the username and password of VPS you should click the extend hard and you should wait. And as you can see the hard has been extended, the hard of VPS has been extended. Thank you for watching us, and please subscribe our channel, and if you want to learn more about how to work with VPS in det9.com follow other videos. Goodbye.